Today I am going to tell a poem that's name is Daffodils and it was written by a famous poet, William Wordsworth. I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high o'er vales and hills, when all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils, beside the lake beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze, continues as the stars that shine and twinkle on the Milky Way. They stretch in never-ending line along the margin of a bay. 10,000 saw I at a glance, tossing their heads in sprightly dance. The waves beside them dance, but they outdid sparkling waves in glee. A poet could not but be gay in such a token company. I gazed and gazed, but little thought what will the show to me have brought. For often on my couch I lie, in vacant or in pensive mood. They flash upon that inward eye, which is the bliss of solitude. And then my heart with pleasure fills and dances with the daffodils. Thank you.
वीरवान हो सब उत्तरवादित्य अपने कंधे पर लो। यह याद रखो कि तुम स्वयं अपने भाग्य का निर्माता हो। तुम जो कुछ बल या साहस्य चाहो सब तुम्हारे ही भीतर भक्तियोहन है। आते इस ज्ञान रूप शक्ति के सहारे तुम बल प्राप्त करो और अपने हाथों अपना भविष्य गढ़ डालो।
Good afternoon to one and all present here. On 3rd January every year, National Youth Day or Yuva Divas is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda, one of India's greatest philosophers and spiritual leaders. Swami Vivekananda is one of India's most acclaimed orators, saints and philosophers. He is the founder of Ramakrishna Mission, a spiritual society established on May 1st, 1897 in Calcutta. It presents a modern version of Advaita Vedanta, which is a school of Indian philosophy in Western countries. Vivekananda launched a society with a dual purpose. One was to spread the message of Vedanta and the other was to improve the social living conditions of the Indian people. He participated in many social movements, and 4. To eliminate the convention of early marriage. He promoted education and wanted everyone to be literate, irrespective of any social or cultural denomination. On the basis of the revelation attained by Sri Ramakrishna, he openly revealed to the world that all religions are on the path to the same goal. I would like to conclude my speech by the famous words of Swami Vivekananda. As different streams having different sources all mingle their waters in the sea, so different tendencies, various though they appear, crooked or straight, all lead to goal. Thank you and have a nice day.